Once upon a time in the city of Metroville, a superhero named Elastigirl lived. She was known for her incredible elasticity, which allowed her to stretch and stretch like rubber. One sunny morning, Elastigirl woke up with a smile on her face. She loved her job as a superhero, but she also loved her family. Today, she wanted to spend some quality time with her children. She put on her super suit, stretched her arms wide, and said, "Time for a family day." Her children, Dash and Violet, were excited to hear that their mom was taking them on an adventure. They hopped into their car, and Elastigirl drove them to the park. At the park, they played games, ate ice cream, and laughed until their bellies hurt. Elastigirl enjoyed every moment, cherishing the time she spent with her family. Suddenly, a loud noise caught their attention. A robot had appeared in the park, causing chaos and confusion. Elastigirl knew it was time to put on her superhero cape. "Children, stay here," she said, stretching herself tall. "I'll deal with this robot." With a powerful leap, Elastigirl reached the robot, using her elasticity to dodge its attacks. She stretched out her arms and wrapped the robot up tight, trapping it in a giant ball of elastic. The people in the park cheered as Elastigirl returned their city to peace. Her children watched proudly, their eyes shining with admiration. "Mom, you're the best superhero ever," Dash exclaimed. "I agree, Mom," Violet added. "I'm so glad you're our superhero." Elastigirl smiled, hugging her children tightly. "I love being your superhero, but I love being your mom even more." That night, Elastigirl returned home, tired but happy. She knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, she had her family by her side. And that was the best superpower of all. The end.